Hi, and welcome to Dihuni. My name is Pranay Prakash, and I'm the CEO and founder of Dihuni. The reason I founded Dihuni was to provide customers with one place for most of their digital transformation requirements. Now, digital transformation in itself is a pretty big word. So it can mean anything from social media, digital marketing, all the way to deep learning and IoT, which are focused on solving some really deep real world problems. Now, regardless of which area you are involved in, all of us in some ways are working towards providing digital outcomes. Now, if you're an IT administrator, you're working on providing your employees peace of mind through digital software and digital applications that they need in order to do their everyday work. If you're an IoT person, you're pretty much involved in areas like digital software such as energy management, comfort of your people in your facilities. A lot of these type of use cases which are all driven through and are actually delivering digital outcomes. So if you think about all these digital outcomes, there is one thing common across all of these is you need to have a very reliable infrastructure to support your digital efforts. And by that I mean both in IT, so you've got to have the right server, storage, network infrastructure in your private or public cloud, or it could mean IoT, which needs a lot of the right edge devices which are able to collect data from edge points in facilities, homes, factories, and other places so that that data can be analyzed in your backend IT infrastructure. And if you analyze it properly, you're able to deliver digital outcomes. Regardless of all these areas, the whole IT environment has changed over the years because of providing or the desire to provide digital outcomes. And that's why Dihuni was formed, because there isn't a place where you can go and get all the things you need for enabling that end-to-end and edge-to-cloud IT and IoT infrastructure. We are providing you that one-stop opportunity with several of our partners, and these partners are awesome. We have Dell as our partner, we got Intel, NEC, NVIDIA, Supermicro, Tyan, and the list goes on, and we are growing our product portfolio each day. We are here to help you through your infrastructure needs, whether you're looking for software or hardware from us or one of our partners. We are here to help you navigate that journey so you can deliver those digital outcomes properly in a timely manner and without breaking your budget. That's why we are here. Please don't hesitate to contact us, reach out to me or any one of our associates. It's very simple. We are a phone call away, or just send us an email. And thank you for visiting us, and happy shopping.